Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel PayPal subscription payments, also known as recurring. So first of all, just open up the PayPal. From here, you should be able to see a button that says settings or this little clock icon in the top right corner. If you click on it, we will be taken to our settings. From here, you can see these options in the top. You have to select payment. So when you click on that, you will be able to view all sort of different payments such as online purchases, in-shop purchases, gift declarations, but automatic payment is one we are looking for. We want to click this one down here, and from there we can see some pre-approved payments. As long as you are in the section that says show active, you will be able to see all your current subscriptions, and you just want to choose which one you want to cancel and then simply click on it. From there, you will be able to see some more information about the subscription, but since we are trying to cancel it, we just want to go over to this section and that says status, and then over the right, we'll see the cancel button. So you can simply click on it and it will ask you want to cancel your future pre-approved payments through this company. So in order to continue canceling, we can simply click stop pre-approved payments button that says you are all set. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.